Hey everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing fantastic. For today's video, I have a review on this Profusion Feel Good Skin Foundation. I'm wearing it right now, guys, and spoiler alert, sis looks good, okay? Sis is me, and she looks good, okay? I am loving this right now, but back to the regular scheduled intro. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica. I upload videos here on my channel every single week. I upload food, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and budgeting videos. You can get a whole bunch of content here on my channel. So if any of that interests you, I would love for you guys to stick around and join the fam by subscribing down below. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to hit that little notification bell because that will notify you every time I post, and you obviously don't want to miss it. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to give this video a like if you like makeup content. I kind of fell off for a little bit, but I'm back and I'm better. Okay? So, yeah, guys, I hope that you all are doing well. I hope that you all are staying safe, wear your mask, everything like that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this foundation review. Oh my god, I just rhymed. I'm a rapper too. Just kidding. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Alrighty guys, so hopping right into the review. I do have some eye makeup on and my brows, but I don't have on any face makeup currently. Before we get started, I do have combination oily skin. I am very oily in my T-zone as well as like my cheeks, but otherwise, other than that, I'm pretty like normal. I do not have a dry patch on my body though. So I am very oily, but I'm a lot less oily than I used to be, thank goodness. But let me just move my mic a little closer. So, getting started, this is the Profusion Cosmetics Feel Good Skin Longwear Skin Perfector. It has hyaluronic acid, medium to full coverage, natural satin finish, and it also has SPF 15. You get 1.01 fluid ounces, and I'm in the shade Tan 3, which says it's a warm yellow undertone. It says, using a brush or your fingertips, apply a small amount onto your skin, starting at the center of your face and blend outwards. Layer on for desired coverage. Okay, doesn't sound too difficult. So I did pick this up from Walmart. It was about $7 or so. I think it was like $6.87, but it's really inexpensive, which I love. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out. So I am going to prime one side of my face using this Hard Candy Smoothing Primer Balm. I love this stuff so much. It is like a dupe for the, what is it? The putty. The Tarte Putty primer or whatever. And then you also have the e.l.f. one, which is like $6, but I just like this one too. So I also have the e.l.f. Putty primer, which I absolutely adore as well. But right now we're just going to use this one because it's what I have closest to me. And excuse my nails, I'm about to go do them as soon as I'm done with this video. So we're just going to rub that all over our face. And then I'm also going to go ahead and use this Essence Prime Plus Studio HD Hydro Matte Primer Spray. So I'm just going to apply that on one side of my face and just let that sink in a little bit. This is like what I usually do with my foundation, so I just wanted to see if anything differs when applying this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I really like the packaging of this. I think it's really pretty. It's really sleek, really compact. I think it would be great for travel, even though I doubt any of us are going anywhere right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just squeeze this onto my face. Hopefully this is a good color. And we're gonna go from there. So I'm gonna start off using a brush, and this is just a small face round brush. I got this from Amazon. I will have the kit that I use linked down below, but let's go ahead and blend it out. This is the side, obviously, with no primer. It looks really good. Like, I think that's like a perfect color for me. Like, that's insane. Like, that's like a perfect shade. Wow. This looks really good. So far, the coverage is like definitely a medium. You can see like my, a little bit of like my acne through it, but it definitely did cover up my redness that I had, which I love to see that. Because I don't know why my skin has been so red lately. I don't know why. But, and excuse my satin scarf. I'm trying to like lay my hair down a little bit because I have like so many videos to film today. So excuse that. This says like you can use a brush or your fingertips. I don't remember the last time I used my fingertips or any type of like skin product, but if you do that, you do you, girl. I just don't think I could. Okay, so I'm really liking the way that this looks. I think it looks so good and natural. It's definitely hydrating. It's not matte at all on my skin. Yeah, I'm liking this so far. Like I said, it's definitely medium coverage. I would say like you could probably build it up, but like right off the bat, it's definitely medium coverage to cover up your redness more so than like your acne, because I do have a little bit of acne on my chin. But I think once we apply it on this side, we'll definitely be able to tell, because I have a lot of redness on this side. A lot of you guys are like, oh my god, you have perfect skin. And I'm like, that is a lie. I'm sorry. So far, I'm really liking it. I think it looks really good. So let's go ahead and apply the same to the other side, which is primed. That's about the same. I was going to try and use this with a sponge. Let me try this, because it doesn't say to use it with a sponge. That's the only thing. So we'll see. I'll go ahead and do this with a brush. So see, as you guys can see, it really did cover up my pimple that I had on my cheek there, which I love to see it. And it covered up my redness really nicely as well. Like I said, I think this color is like perfect for me. And if you guys are like my foundation twin, then this is the color Tan 3. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and get between the eyebrows. Sometimes I definitely forget to put foundation here, and it's so embarrassing sometimes. I'll go in the mirror and I'm like, I have no foundation between my eyebrows. You're looking crazy, sis. Yeah, I am in love with this. I think that this is so beautiful. It's so hydrating without being like oily. I am digging this, you guys. It's looking so gorgeous on the skin. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So I'm just making sure to blend it into my neck. You don't want to look like you're wearing a mask, because that's not fun. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It made my skin like so smooth too. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in so that you can see what we're working with. Okay, so this is my skin up close and personal. I think it looks so good, you guys. Don't you think it looks so good? Or is it just me? Or am I like hyping this up too much? It looks so good. I am going to go ahead and go over it just a little bit with a sponge, because I feel like there's some like excess product sitting on my skin. And that's usually what I do with foundations anyway, when I feel like it works better with a brush, but I just want to soak up any extra product. So I'm just going to go over with a damp e.l.f. sponge. This doesn't have any additional product or anything on it. It's just a damp sponge, and if you feel like you've added too much foundation, I feel like going over your face with a damp sponge soaks up any excess product. Just helps the whole situation look better. Okay, so I just did that really quick, and I think it looks so good, you guys. I'm not seeing a big difference right now between the primed side and the non-primed side. My pores might be a little bit bigger on the non-primed side because I have really big pores right here on my cheek. But, you guys, this looks so good. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. This is how we're looking. I think that the foundation looks so good. Like, I would never think that this was a $7 foundation. So far, I think that it is really, really, really pretty. It's not settling into any fine lines. I did go ahead and set it just a little bit with this Makeup Revolution Hydra Matte Fixing Spray. Because honestly, if I don't set my face, nothing is going to stay on my face. So I think it's better for all of us if I just went ahead and did that for us all. But like I said, I'm not really seeing any difference between the primed and unprimed side now that I put like my bronzer, my highlight and everything on. I'm not really noticing that big of a difference, which is also crazy because I'd be forgetting to put on primer all the time. So yeah, I am thoroughly loving this foundation. So it is currently 12:44 p.m. I'm going to go on about my day. I have some more videos to film. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm loving this foundation, and I will check in with you guys in just a little bit. Hi guys, I just wanted to show you how the foundation is looking outside. I think it's like 2:30 now. I'm not exactly sure what time it is, but it looks so good, you guys. Like, it's crazy how good it looks. Like, I'm obsessed. It's not sinking into any lines or anything. I look insane, but it looks so good. There's my cute pup in the back. But I just wanted to pop on and show you guys what we're looking like. I think it looks so good, especially in natural light too. Like, it looks so good. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Alright guys, it is currently, let me take my headphones out, 8:17 p.m. I've had this foundation on about 8 hours. I'm ready to take it off, okay? But I still think we are looking really freaking good. Like, all I really need to do right now is blot, and it's been 8 hours, you guys. And I took a really fire nap this afternoon as well. It's Sunday when I'm filming this, guys. I usually take a nap on Sundays because you need to like pregame for the week. You know what I mean? So I'll go ahead and zoom in. I am a little oily or whatever, but like I said, I am an oily gal. So let me just zoom in a little bit better for you guys. So this is what we're looking like. As you guys can see, pretty oily on the chin and around my nose, but that happens with literally every foundation that I own. So I'm not surprised, and I'm really not disappointed because that means that my skin is doing its due diligence. So, like I said, I really don't see any difference between the prime and not prime side. This side is primed, this side is not, and I feel like it wore the exact same. I really like the staying power because like I was resting my hand on my face and it didn't really wear off. I also, like I said, took a nap and it still looks pretty fire. Yeah guys, like this foundation is freaking amazing. As you guys can see, like a little bit of my upper lip is sweating because I just took my dog out for a walk and it's freaking humid as heck outside, which is very annoying. But yeah, I feel like a quick little blotting sheet on my face and I would be absolutely fine wearing this for like another 4 hours. So I think that this is amazing for $7. You cannot beat it. Let's look at the claims of it before we go ahead and say that it's a great foundation. So it says medium to full coverage, which I agree with. You can definitely build this up if you have like acne or like rosacea. Like I have a little bit of rosacea on my cheeks, nothing crazy, but Dang, guys, this is really good. And it says natural satin finish. I do believe that as well. Like I said when I was applying it, it's not matte at all, and it's not like super duper hydrating to the point where like you feel like you like absolutely positively have to set it. But I am loving this coverage, and it has SPF 15, which we love. So I can't really complain about this, guys. I have no complaints at all. I think this is an awesome foundation, or whatever it's called, Feel Good Skin Longwear Skin Perfector. I can't honestly say any bad things. I think the color range is a little bit trash, but that's how it is with pretty much every drugstore foundation. Like, I feel like the color selection is just basura. But yeah, I think if they come out with some more colors, this would be amazing for so many different skin types, because I feel like if you're dry, you would love it, and I'm oily, and I love it so much because it's not super greasy on my face. So yeah, that will be it for this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this foundation review. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I post new videos here every single week, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. A makeup tutorial on this look will be coming soon, I promise. I of course didn't film this today because I was kind of playing with some makeup and didn't think that I would like the way it turned out, and here we are, and I'm obsessed with it and didn't film it. So that's how it always goes. But like I said, I will talk to you guys in my next one. I hope you are doing well, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye.